I wanted to show y'all a couple of things that I got from Shein. My package came today and I didn't order a lot of things, just a few. But I wanted to kind of show you guys what I got. I've got two tops and then two little accessories. So I love these super cute little reusable bags that they give you. They're like so handy. I keep all of them. So the first one, oh no, this is a skirt. I completely forgot what I ordered. Is this super cute skirt. It's like a little satiny skirt. It's got ruffles on the bottom. I love this. This is a size large, and I'm still kind of figuring out my sizing for Shein because I don't know, I'm not like an average shape, if there is an average shape or size. We're gonna try this one in just a second, but yeah, this is what it looks like. And like I said, I just tried to err on the side of caution and just went ahead and got a large. So we'll see, you know, how that works out. So there's the first thing that I got. And the next is, let me put this in here. The next clothing, now this is a t-shirt. I saw this and I'm like, oh my god, it's so freaking adorable. This shirt I got in a large as well, which, ooh, it looks like I kind of could have used a medium, but anyway. Is this not the cutest thing ever? It's just this little girl and with a bow and glasses, and then it says, listen to your heart on the bottom. And I thought this was so adorable, but this looks freaking huge. So anyway, we'll try that one too and see, but I think I probably could have used a medium. Anyway, we'll try those two on, and I thought that those look cute together. The other two things that I got are just like accessories. So this little set came in a pack of 4, and they're just kind of little curl hair accessories. So I'm gonna pull these out, and I can't remember how much these things cost. I believe this top cost, I want to say maybe $5 to $8, so not that expensive. And then the skirt, I believe, was 15, maybe 12 or $15. So not expensive for that at all. But anyway, back to that little hair accessory. So they're just little clips, little pearl clips that just kind of go in your hair like that. I thought that was super cute. And it also comes with these are little hearts, if you can see, and it's just the same little prong clip that you can just like stick in your hair here. And the same with this one. They're just little decorative clips, and then they also came with these long little bobbies that you can just kind of stick anywhere. I thought those were cute. So I'm gonna stick these back in, and then the last item that I got in this shipment are these adorable little earrings. Oh, how do you get this open? Okay. Oh. And they're like little cherries. They're so cute. And they're very light too. They're not like super heavy, so it won't weigh your earlobe down. And I believe these were only like $2, so not that expensive at all. And So I'm gonna put these away, and then we're gonna go and try on the outfits, and we'll be right back. All right, so this is how the total outfit looks. This is the skirt. The skirt fits pretty well. It's not, you know, too big or anything like that. It doesn't seem to be that it is see-through at all. I don't have anything, you know, under it or anything like that, so that's good that it's not see-through. It's pretty long on the bottom. It covers everything up like it should, and the zipper here is easy to get on and off. It actually does have a clasp on the side as well, along with the zipper. So I'm really enjoying this skirt, so I just gotta steam it. The shirt ended up, it doesn't seem like it's too big. I may end up going down to a medium or ordering something in a medium just to see how they compare. That is the one thing I do not like about online shopping. I really don't like online shopping at all. I really hope Shein ends up getting a brick and mortar. But anyway, I love this top. It's so cute. It's very comfortable. There's no itching or anything like that. And it's very stretchy too. So anyway, like I said, both pieces are a large, the skirt, so the skirt fits totally fine. Like I said, I'm definitely going to keep the top, but I may end up ordering another top in just some other random piece just to see how a medium size compares to a large. But anyway, yeah, that's it. I'm like really super excited about both of these. I grabbed one of my handbags from Charming Charlie's just to show you how you can kind of dress this up or down. So I've got, if you can see these cute little heels. I don't remember where they're from. I got them as a gift, but I don't remember the brand. I guess I could just tell you. It's Enzo. I do not know how to pronounce that. I don't know if you can see. I know it's probably backwards. I hope it's not backwards. But anyway, yeah, I got these as a gift from someone. So yeah, you just pair these with these heels and then this super cute glitter clutch, and it's an outfit. This will be something cute for a brunch or just going out with the girls, and just something cute and girly and comfortable. So anyway, I'll see y'all next time. Stay safe. Love you. Bye.